Hi everyone! Elite Notification is the best sales pop-up, social proof, FOMO, and WooCommerce notification plugin. It's free to use. Elite Notification is a powerful notification plugin designed to increase engagement, build trust, and boost conversions. With 10+ notification types, it helps you showcase real-time activities and create urgency for your visitors. Elite Notification is a game changer with 11+ powerful integrations to boost engagement and conversions. Seamlessly connect with WooCommerce, Envato, easy digital downloads, and more to drive real-time actions and build trust. Elite Notification's dummy notification lets you test and preview notifications before going live. It's perfect for checking design, timing, and animations, effortlessly ensure the best setup. With Elite Notification Settings module, you have complete control over your notifications. Customize everything to match your needs, adjust notification count, visibility, looping, display time, and more. Tailor the perfect notification experience for your audience effortlessly. Take full control with Elite Notification. The dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of your notifications. Track total views, total clicks, active sources, and more, all in one place. Remember, Elite Notification is free. Thanks for watching.